Okay, got another. I'm gonna be doing another toaster oven video with a Peep, and I'm re-uploading it and doing another one because the other video I did caught on fire and I didn't like that. So I'm gonna be I'm gonna try this again, but trying to be extra careful instead of. And so I think I'm gonna go and cook it in there for roughly a minute. So. Alright, how long does it want to go in there for? Alright, so this is turn to 20 and then just turn to desired time. Let's try this. Alright. Okay. Don't think it was in there for long enough. Let's try this again. Are we... Oh, still not expanding. Are you kidding me? Oh. Uh-oh. Are we smoking yet? Oh, it's expanding. Yeah, I think this is probably not a strong toaster. I need to put more time in there. This toaster's not so strong. I think this toaster's better than the other one I did. Smells like Peeps. Smells like Peeps now. Kind of smells like marshmallows. Oh, it's getting bigger now. Oh. Okay. Go ahead and stop it for now. Let me go get gloves or oven mitts. Get this tray out of the toaster. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. Whoa. There it is. I think I might do Peep in the microwave next video. Well, I think this is much better than the other one because it did not burn. Thank God it didn't. But, see ya.